Welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today I am going to start the series of Kinter. Kinter is basically a graphical user interface programming module, and it is a module of Python. So whenever you install Python, it comes by default. This is the channel Fame World Educational Hub on which you are watching this current video, and you can just go through the playlist section on this YouTube channel, so you will get a lot of content for you to study if you are a computer science student, and if you are interested in computer science or information technology, then this is the right place for you. So I request you to please subscribe the channel if you are new to the channel, and also share the videos with your friends. So now I'm just going to start with the Kinter programming, and this is the PyCharm IDE, and I'm going to start with the very first program today. So this is the first video of Kinter, and I have just created a project named as Kinter Pro in my system in PyCharm, and now I'm just going to make a new program, create a new program. We will go from the very basic content towards the topics with enhanced content. So this is the very basic program, the Pro1. I am just creating the file as Pro1, and now I am going to create, first of all I will just create a window. In this particular video I will create a window and I will go for a label. So now in this particular program I am going to import the Kinter module from Kinter import asterisk, from Kinter import asterisk. So here I have just imported the Kinter module, and then what I am going to do, I am just going to create an object of Kinter class. Basically in Kinter, T is silent. It is not called tkinter, it is basically Kinter, and this is the constructor, the class, basically the tk class, of which we are just creating the object win. We can take it and take here any name whatever we want, and here I am taking win. We can take anything, you can take your name also. Now I am just creating one more variable named as my label, and I am going to create label. So I am just using label class, and you can see it is defined in the Kinter package, Kinter module, which we have already imported. So now I am just going to pass win. This win denotes that we are passing this particular label on our window which we have created right now, and this is also an attribute of this label text. So I am just writing my first GUI, and this is basically the text which will appear on this my label. Now I just want to tell you one more thing. Whenever we are working with Kinter or we are creating Kinter programs, so it is required to pack each and every component whichever we are using. As I have used this label and I have taken it as my label, so I should pack it. Okay, so what we have to do to pack, we have to use the pack method, and packing is basically meant for sticking the components on our window. So we have to just stick the components, to add the components on our window. So win is our window, and I'm just packing it. Now I'm just going to use win.main loop, and this win.main loop, and this main loop basically function is used to get the window appearing on the screen. As in C language, you must have heard about getch, we use it there. So similarly we use win.main loop in Kinter when we are creating Kinter programs. So we have to use this as the last statement. We have taken the object as win, so I am taking win here. Otherwise, whatever object you have created, you can take that object and dot main loop function. So this main loop function basically works for holding the window until and unless we press the cross button. So I'm just going to run this particular program, and you will just see one small window has been appeared here. You can see this is a window, and I am just maximizing it. You can see my first GUI, it's written here, and by default whatever we pack to our window comes center aligned. So you can see it is coming center aligned. Okay, so I hope this particular program is clear to you. We will just go for with some more content in the next video. So if you are new to this channel, just subscribe the channel and stay tuned. See you in the next lecture.